Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a very delicious mouth-watering cake. Yes, it is a rich plum cake for Christmas. It is very delicious and it's fully loaded with dry fruits and its taste is very awesome. See the texture of fruits and cake mix and how well they are blended. Taken the black currants, golden raisins and cranberries is together 150 grams. So I'm going to soak all this with orange juice and keep it for 2 days. In this cake we need 1.5 cups of maida, 2 eggs, 1 cup of brown sugar and spices. We need cinnamon powder, nutmeg powder, ginger powder, and we need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then we'll need 55 grams of butter, then some tutti frutti and these other dry nuts, almonds, cashew nuts and some dates, and we'll need vanilla essence for this and the soaked dry fruits 2 days before I soaked it, and a pinch of salt we need for this. We'll preheat a kadai with some salt and a stand on it, and we'll cover it and preheat for 10 minutes. We are going to grease the cake pan in which we are going to bake the cake. Grease it nicely with butter and place a parchment paper or a butter paper in the center of the cake pan. I will take 2 lemons and we will grate the yellow part of it, the outer part. Only the outer part we have to grate, not the white one. And this is the lemon red. Now we will take a pan. We are going to add all the soaked dry fruits to it. And we are going to add 1 cup of brown sugar. Now we'll add all the spices also to it. And a pinch of salt. And 55 grams of butter. To this we'll add 1 cup of water and we'll bring to a boil so that all the spices and other dry fruits will blend nicely together. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and give it a nice mix. Container will add all the nuts, the almonds, the cashew nuts, the dates, the tutti frutti, and we'll add 2 tablespoons of maida to it and we'll mix them well so that when we add this to the cake, it will not sit at the bottom of the cake but it will evenly spread. Now this comes to a boil. Now we are going to switch off the flame and we're going to pour it into a bigger bowl and let it cool for some time. Add 2 eggs, 1 at a time each, and mix well. One teaspoon of vanilla essence. Add the lemon rind which you have grated. Add all the dry nuts coated with maida and give it a nice mix. Now gradually we'll mix the maida and we'll give it a gentle mix. We'll pour the cake batter into the greased cake pan. Now we'll place the cake pan in the kadai and we'll cover it and we'll bake it for 45 to 50 minutes. It is almost 45 minutes. We'll see how it is. We will insert a toothpick and see. It has come out clean. Our cake is baked. Now our cake is a little cooled down and now we will demold it. Our tasty plum cake is ready. You can cut and serve the delicious cake. Wow, what a nice aroma of cinnamon powder and nutmeg is coming. So make this cake and enjoy this utterly butterly rich plum cake with your family and friends. Wish you all a very happy Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.